Hi, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. Now what this basically enables you to do is to freeze either the top row or the first column in a worksheet. So this basically means that that column or row will not go out of the viewable area of the Excel worksheet. So basically this just makes your sheet very easy to read. You can also freeze more than one row and freeze more than one column, which I'll also show you. Okay, so just to give you a quick demonstration, this is a sample table of sales data. Now, if I scroll down on the table, you can see that our header here goes off screen. Now, this could get very difficult if you wanted to read the table and you've got a lot of records in your table. So how could we fix the top row so that it doesn't go off screen? Well, the answer is to freeze it. So what we do is we basically, on our ribbon, we head over to the view part of the ribbon. We then go to this option here, freeze panes, click it and go freeze top row. Now, as you can see, this black thin line has appeared, which basically indicates that our top row is frozen. So now, if we scroll down, we can see that our header is static. In other words, it's not going off screen. And this makes our table much easier to read now. So that's how you freeze the top row in Microsoft Excel. Now to unfreeze the top row, you simply go to freeze panes and go unfreeze panes. And that's it. Your top row is now unfrozen.